Hey everyone, welcome to Totally Dazzled. My name is Linda and I'm with Circle Heart Creations, so y'all come on in. Alright y'all, so we're going to get started so we're not here all day. I always say y'all have other things to do. Okay, so I started this. We're going to do this lantern thing. I think I got this at a thrift store. So I already started. I think you can see the snowflakes there. I already started this on two sides. We did the snowflakes, and that I used, let me see. I'm gonna get these out that I used. I used from the winter Glam set. Okay, so I'm gonna be using, or I used these. This is the set that I used right here, or the stencil that I used on. Alright, so I'm going from the Christmas Sparkle set stencils, I'm going to be using this right here. Got a little snowflake there. So I did clean this glass, but it doesn't look like this. I'm just going to go with it. So all we're going to do is just take it off of this little white sheet that it sits on. And then I'm just using part of this stencil, but I want that snowflake. So all I'm doing is taking a pen, and these little dots right here, I'm just marking each one of those little dots with this pen. What I'm going to do is take that off. I'm going to put this back because we're going to use it probably again up here. Right there on my skin, you can see the dots. Okay, so we're going to take our little sorting tray and we're going to put just whatever colors you want. With this method, I'm going to use this B7000 glue. Each dot that we made, we're going to just put one little dot of this glue. So you just add those rhinestones to those little dots, and see, I did the snowflakes on that side and on this side. Alright, so this is the paper we're going to use. It is a digital deco design paper. I've used this in the past, last year. So we're going to use it for this thing. Let me see if I can. That right here. Hopefully we get enough paper. I think I'm going to use this. I'm going to try this brush. Clean that and it doesn't look awful. Alright, so I'm just going to use my decoupage varnish and glue and Silky Shine. That is a, where did I get that? Oh, I got this at Maker's Daughters, but I've had it for a little bit. Alright, so we're just going to apply this to this glass. this is what we look like there. So that's our little horse picture. Again, that is a digital deco design picture. I'm gonna take some of this Bling. I don't even know what this. I got it off of Amazon. I don't even know the store's name, but I think it's in my Amazon store. So I'm gonna use this, and it does have a sticky back to it. It's kind of like our appliques. You just peel it off. I'm just gonna stick this on here. Okay, so we got that. And then one more thing I'm gonna do is, see this little latch right here? We're gonna put a little bling right there. I mean, why not, right? All right, I'm just gonna put this little piece. I just had this little piece of fabric. I don't know what that is. It's real soft. That's all I know. I had that piece of fabric, so I'm just gonna add this to the bottom. Right down there at the bottom. And see right here, you can decorate however you want to. I'm gonna put a little bit of greenery on here, probably up here. I've never done this before, so y'all gonna have to bear with me here. So here we go. We got something. We got something going on. So that's our little horse display there, little winter, and our bling. Some more bling. That on the bottom, and then we have this right here. So y'all, if y'all come across these, this I did come across when I went thrifting. So when you come across these, snatch them up. Snatch them up. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Take care.